Imagine you have a ton of images and you need to scale all of them down to identical width. Do you open every single one of them in Photoshop and scale them down, wasting hours of your valuable time? Luckily, you don't have to, because there is a faster way. What is up guys, this is Mavi Design with another tutorial, and today I will be showing you how to do a global edit across tens or even hundreds of images with a default built-in app from Apple that all of you have on your Mac. Before we start, please make sure to hit the subscribe button and like this video for more tips on how to become a more efficient designer. Without further ado, let's get into it. Now you can see that I have 6 different images here, and each of them has a different width. Let me just quickly skim through them so that you have an idea. So this one is a widescreen, almost a square. Just each and every one of them has a different size. So how to unify them in terms of width? So what I'm going to do is I'm going to select all of them, right click and open with Preview Default. That's right, the default app you use for opening all the images on your Mac. Okay, I have all of them opened, and now what we are going to do is we are going to select all of them and go to Tools, Adjust Size. And here we are going to specify the dimensions. We want to fit them into custom pixels. The width is going to be, let's say you want to scale all of them down to 600 pixels or 400 pixels, doesn't matter. And the height will be automatic because each and every one of them has a different ratio, and therefore you don't want to kind of squeeze them or stretch them. So you just keep this empty and it will calculate for each image individually. You want to make sure that this is checked, the scale proportionately option, and now you just click OK. And you can see that if we view them in 100% size, in their real size, you can see that all of them have the same width. They are identical. Now, this is just basically a project file. So what you want to do now is you again want to select all of them, go to File and Save. And now if you go back to your folder with your images and you skim through them again, you can see that all of them have the same dimensions. See these numbers. All of them have a width of 400. Now this was just 6 images, you could do 10 or 100, maybe if your computer can handle it, even 1,000, but this is a very easy and quick way to scale down your images to a single width or height for that matter, and you don't even have to buy or install any new software. So that's it for this video guys, thank you so much for watching. If you enjoyed and found this useful, please subscribe, and I will see you in the next one. Bye!